What we could do now is go in, draw in some Fibonacci retracements. That way we kind of have an idea of where this price could come back down to. So if we zoom in a little bit here, and I'm going to draw another Fibonacci and see if we can find some confluent zones. Remember, there's always Fibonacci within Fibonacci. So what I did, I drew from the low up to the current high, and then for my smaller Fibonacci, I find a critical level in the market where we ended up taking off from and not being able to come back down and see any of these prices come back and retrace basically the whole move. So I draw from this 115.20 level up to the high using the same exact high. And now notice here 116.50, you guys see that? We have a short term 38.2 and a longer term 23.6 overlapped each other within a pip. That level there we could expect to be a fairly strong level, and how I trade these is almost kind of the same as using the black PMDs. So say we have a handful of black PMDs at this 50 level. Well, if the price quickly comes down to test that and we're in the green zone, our passive buying zone, I'll go ahead and take a position. That's a nice probable setup in our favor. The thing you always got to be aware of, especially when you're at these big figure levels and very critical levels for the currency pair, if you don't see the price respond within the first couple minutes of testing that level, more times than not you're going to see it actually break through that level and continue going. So for example, this 116 level, the price came up here and it just went straight through that level all the way up to the next figure basically of 116.50. So we could definitely see a nice bounce though from that 116.50 level. I'll keep that in mind. And then also for a short position, if we could see this retrace up here a little bit, get us up here into the 117 possibly 20s, closer we can get to the high the better, because we're able to have a tighter stop loss. We know if it breaks the high, we got to kill the trade. It looks like it'll probably be a breakout and continue to go higher, so we'll minimize our loss and look for the next trade.